to Very Vegan with Terry. I am Terry. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today we're going to be doing a tuna salad. Not tuna, tuna. You know, it's funny. I have a friend who hates technology, and so we jokingly call him Techno. I'm surprised he even knows how to send a text. So this salad is like tuna, but it's not tuna. So we're going to call it tuna. Let's get started. We're going to start with the dressing. The dressing is a half cup of water, a half cup of cashews, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 clove of garlic, and 2 teaspoons of kelp granules. Kelp granules are a really high source of iodine. They also give food that seafood type flavor that you're used to with tuna and other kinds of seafood type dishes. So I will put a link below in the description so you can get these kelp granules. And I am just going to blend this until it's smooth. All right, that's what it looks like. So now that the dressing's made, I'm gonna put the salad together. All right, now we're gonna make the tuna. We're gonna start with 2 cans of garbanzo beans, or chickpeas, same thing. And I'm going to pulse these in my food processor until they become kind of broken down and flaky. You want it to look flaky like tuna. You just don't want to over process these because then they'll become like mush. Okay. I'm going to add a little bit of red onion and 1 small avocado. And I'm going to pulse this again. Just want everything to come together nicely without over processing everything. Now I'm going to take this and put it into a mixing bowl. And just kind of mix it up just to make sure that everything's combined well. There may be chunks of avocado, and that's okay. Next, I'm going to add the dressing right on top of it. And mix this up really well. And there you have it. Tuna. You can place this on greens. You can make a salad out of it. You can make a sandwich. You can get some plant-based cheese and some bread, make a tuna melt, whatever sounds good to you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thank you. Have a great day, and may you know the love of Jesus Christ.